Uh, Good afternoon, Mr. Gregory.
Hey, son, how are you doing?
I'm good, Mr. Gregory. Hey, it's been a long time. It's been a long time. It's unfortunate that I had to catch you while you're busy,
Mhm.
but I believe you are doing the job that you are very passionate about. Let me first introduce myself to the viewers. My name is Tabiso Msongelwa. This is a new project, which is a new podcast, TMS, Msongelwa, and amaqhawe. Just wanted to welcome Coach Gregory. He's going to introduce himself. He's one of the people that have been doing a wonderful job around our district, in the province and the whole South Africa. I believe you are one of the coaches that has got high profile in terms of I would say uh, you one of the coaches that have done so well in terms of football educator, and you once played football. But I would love us to start here. I just want you to introduce yourself. People, they might want to know, who is this Shoes Gregory? Where is he from?
Mm.
How is he grown up? Where is he staying? We can start from the Coach Shoes.
Yes, good to meet up with you, Masinga, my son, as I know you. One
Yes,
of
yes,
us
coach.
is one of the players I've coached formerly, and
Yes, yes,
also uh, had an opportunity to empower as a coach.
yes, yes,
That you also have some of your qualifications as a coach now,
yes, yes,
having worked under late Coach Urban, the Cock, and myself.
yes, yes, yes,
Being here in Bizana uh, stirs a lot of good old Transkei memories.
yes, yes, yes,
My parents were born in this place.
yes, yes,
My mother was born in Rusigi Sigi.
yeah.
Family had close contact with King Sikau back in the days. My grandmother, who died at a century plus, I think 102, we were not sure of the perfect her actual age,
Yes.
99 to 102 when she died. But she was a midwife who delivered some of the king's children.
Okay. That's
So
interesting.
my father was born in Port St. John's. We have a homestead there,
PSJ.
PSJ,
I
yeah.
think you need to get me a plot there. PSJ. I like
we
that place.
we have a plot there. Awesome place.
Yes, yes.
Awesome place. We go there during the holidays. Um, but yes, I was born in Umtata.
Yes, yes.
My father those years was a building constructor and moved to Joburg, to Pretoria, in fact,
Yes, yes.
where, talk about football, we lived in Eastras.
Yes,
My
yes.
father went there and worked for the owner of Sundowns, Pretoria Sundowns, the original Sundowns
Back then.
back then.
Yeah, I'm very interested because somebody told me that when you came to Kokstad, someone wanted to kick you
Uh,
because you were too skillful. So
uh,
someone, I believe, Coach Eben, he once wanted to see who's this Shoes
uh,
Gregory, the colored guy who came in skillful. He wanted to kick your butt because he said, "Okay, I'm gonna hammer you." So it's very much interesting because I believe also in Durban, professional football. You played professional football. If you can take us back, how did it come up? Because your amateur Nansega football, your professional football, up until we're gonna talk about the career that I believe now, uh, according to how we rate you, you've got master's degree in terms of the football qualification as a football educator. So I want us to take us back. Where did it start? This thing of kicking the ball and your amateur Nazika lower level, that's lower league up until you reach to a professional level.
Yes, I was going to say to you that in Pretoria, when my father coached, when my father worked and did a job for the Sundowns owner, then built a shopping mall.
Yes.
These players, the great Abo Bernard Hart,
Yeah.
Shoes Hart,
Yeah.
and others, don't worry about it.
Okay. Yeah.
They used to come to our home.
Yes.
The ground was not far from us.
Yeah.
And as a 4 or 5 year old youngster, I went to the grounds to go and watch.
Yeah.
And one day I was drinking water while Sundowns were playing.
Yeah.
There was a tap behind the goal mouth.
The goal mouth, yes.
And Bernard Hart hit a shot on goal. It missed the upright and went to the tap. It knocked me out. Right? And my mother and them tell me that is where the following day they rumors of missing off the line. I had taken them with my friends and we put them on as books to go and play. It started there. And then we moved from place to place. With my father being a contractor, we moved back to Durban.
Yes.
And in Durban, I played. We lived in Claywood.
Yes.
Indian area, Indian colored area, mixed area.
Mixed area, yes.
Where Claywood Celtic started playing there as a under 13 player while I was about 9, 10 years old.
Yeah.
And schooled in Wentworth, got exposed to some great footballers there.
Yes.
Some of them lived, the late Chiza Baptist.
Yeah.
That played for African Wanderers.
Yes.
He was also from Claywood and moved to Wentworth. Patrick Moodley.
Yes.
Others, brilliant footballers.
Yeah.
We played against each other on a dust ground there in Claywood, but they ended up playing for Leeds United.
Yeah.
I played for Wentworth Spurs, first young collegians.
Yes.
And as a youngster.
Yeah.
We became very competitive. Then you had, it was the apartheid era, eh?
I remember there was a black and white colored league. Yes, from what I heard, I was still very young then. I heard about it.
The black league,
yeah.
You had NFL, which was the white league.
Yes.
And then you had the non-racial league, the FPL.
Yeah.
Which was the Federation Professional League.
Yes.
Which was non-racial. Played the greats like Sugar Ray Kulu, Henry Kwele, and others. Together with Indians, coloreds, that was a non-racial league. But they were very motivated they were activists. I played under the banner of SACOS, South African Council of Sport, whose motto was no normal sport in an abnormal society. Right? So we grew up played under that kind of situation. And during that time, if you take KZN, had 12 professional teams. At that time? At that time. In the White League, you had Durban City, Durban United, Durban Celtic, Maritzburg City.
Yes.
In the NPSL, you had Amazulu, Durban Pushbacks, African Wanderers, Lamontville Golden Arrows. Yes. There are a number of teams. So you're talking about 12 professional teams. In the FPL, you had Ria, Manning Rangers, Maritzburg United. And you had Verulam Suburbs. Yeah. These are all professional teams.
Reservoir Hills was not yet established at that time.
Amateur football was playing in Reservoir Hills.
Okay.
Was being played there.
Yeah.
But 90% of the players, if I'm bold to say,
Yeah.
between 80 to 90% of the players were Natal-based players.
Yeah. Yeah. I
And
want to
those
believe, yeah, I want to believe they still dominate because each and every league here in South Africa at SAP, at APC Mutsep, you still find those players and they are still very competitive.
Yes. And today you find, how many professional teams do we have in KZN?
It's a lot.
How many players in these professional teams? I think professional teams, we got about 4 or 5. How many? Mention them.
It's Veritas Bay, Amazulu, Eros, Durban City. Who is this other team? But we've got the one that is playing first division. No, this one, Midland Wanderers.
You see?
Yeah.
So you mentioned them, it's a handful. What percentage of those players are based from Natal, born and bred in Natal?
Most teams, they've got a lot of players that are coming from that area.
So that speaks to a lack of proper focus on development.
Yeah.
That is why I'm passionate about this CAF-D license.
Yes.
Because it addresses age-specific
Starts there, grassroots.
coaching methods, grassroots, from 6 to 12, in fact 4 to 12 is what I like to think about, right? And we need to focus on that. I played as a teenager, for Zulu Royals.
I know Zulu Royals, one of the well-known teams.
Gregory was my first coach at that level.
Yes. Tell me, sorry to disturb you. How was he in terms of training? I believe they say he was making the players run a lot. Because Tola, he did went to Wanderers. He told me, that man makes you run.
Henry Keller made you physical conditioning. The way the man was as an actor who acted as Shaka Zulu.
Yes.
that was not acting with him. It was the way he was. When he spoke to you, he was dramatic.
Yeah.
He used to, I remember the thing comes out of his word, Mata.
Mata,
Yeah, Mata. Disciplinarian.
Yeah.
Well, he in commercial ran a drama class.
Yeah.
And he was a second dan black belt.
Yeah.
He had his own karate school. And if he said to you, run around the grounds,
then you must do that.
You must do it. He says, if you get nauseous and you're tired, you must puke.
Yeah.
But when I come around, you get back in the line or I kick you into the line.
Okay, coaches. Yeah. I just wanted to check now. How did it come about now that you had to come to Kokstad now, where in Kokstad, I think you made a lot of impact in terms of football.
Yes.
Before you even come and play there, because I remember there was Kokstad Swallows. I don't know, I know Swallows, Swansea, but about you playing at that time against Graham and Coach Carl and Carl Bishop and Coach Eben. I want you to take us back there because it's more interesting because I would love to see because unfortunately I could not see you. I think I was still very young at that time.
Well, I had moved from Zulu Royals to Durban Bushbucks.
Yes.
Where we played together with my brother Mlungi Sungubani.
Yes.
We call him Tap Tap.
Yeah.
You know him as Professor.
Yeah, we know him as Professor. Yeah.
All right. And then Abo Kwipumpungo said Nanai too.
Yeah.
Kwipumpungo said yeah. And many others, right? From Bushbucks, it was Aces United.
Yes.
Just before you had the leagues come together. that also changed over to Manning Rangers.
Yeah.
The name of that team. The late Don Madulai was my team manager. He became also high-profile administrator in the, what do we call, in SAFA.
In Safa, yeah.
From the South African Soccer Federation side.
Yeah.
But from there I moved to Umtata.
To Mthatha, yes.
First back to Sigi, my grandmother's place.
Yeah.
Where I left the professional setup because of a religious experience,
Yeah.
which I won't go into. And from there, ended up in Umtata coaching Liverpool.
Mthatha Liverpool, yeah.
Yeah. At Bushbucks, I had the nickname.
Yeah.
Siyabusa Qanqele, like they used to call me.
Siyabusa Qanqele. How did it come about? Because Qanqele is in Manfred.
Yes.
You know that place, Qanqele, the junction, T junction.
Yes.
In Richmond, yeah.
It happened. In our football, traditional football, then we had our hotelas, huh?
Yeah.
And I used to get in when people are putting mutis on the ground, throwing things.
Yeah.
I could go after a muti man because it was fun for me.
Yeah. And you wanted to see, or try to show him that you are not scared of that.
Not scared of it.
Yeah.
Right? And then they started to call me Siyabusa Qanqele.
Yeah.
Because he would run away from me.
Yeah.
Mustn't touch him. And also the other nickname was Msongelwa.
I saw one colored boy when I watched Amampondo getting promoted the season that they got promoted in Umtata. He played as a striker, but when I'm trying to locate that boy, I don't think he still plays, or maybe still plays locally there. But I was very impressed with the boy. Maybe he was locally or was from there. You never know.
Yeah, no, we don't know. But we need to focus on uncovering these talents at grassroots level.
Yes.
Yeah. So yes, I moved back to Lusigi and ended up coaching schools there. With that religious experience, but got connected to Liverpool in Umtata.
Yes.
Where I started as a player coach there, went there as a player coach.
Yes.
In the old Transkei League then.
Yeah.
Played in what year was it? 84, I think 83, 84.
Yeah.
I played for the Transkei national squad. We went to play against Botswana.
Yeah.
Nice memories of situations that happened. They came back from there, moved over to Tembu Royals. Bantu Olomisa was the manager. I was player coach.
Okay. That's why he's still in football. He is a supporter of Kaizer Chiefs, fan of Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
Or true support of Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes. Humble man. I was blessed to go to his promotions. When he was promoted in the army force. At his place in Kanduli. Yeah, so it was a blessed time. But then from there I moved to Coxted.
To Coxted, yes.
To Coxted Swallows.
Yeah.
Old friend Gavin Roo and Graham Raiders. Came into town one day and they saw me. I was walking home from town. They stopped the car and picked me up. And then convinced me to go with them to Coxted one weekend and play for them in Pietermaritzburg, the league they were playing. And they offered me a job. In Coxted, yes. So I decided, no, I'm going to take the job. And that's how I ended up there, playing for Coxted Swallows. Playing for Coxted Swallows. As a player coach. Yeah, because of that, you haven't told me about that comes to show now that this is how you managed to get a wife there. Because we were going up and down. Yes.
When you have to settle in Coxted, because I believe your wife is from Coxted.
That's right.
Okay. No, Coach Susie, I just wanted to I just want us to come to this idea of wanting to become a coach, educator, instructor. How did it start? Because I believe you and Coach Eben, you were the ones pursued. We all take from you. We had to follow you and Coach Mangoba Mngeti. So I just wanted to check because I think you have produced a lot of boys in Coxet, a lot of players there, even around Eastern Cape. So I wanted to check how did this thing of becoming a coach educator came?
When I had this accident in 1991.
Yes.
While in Coxted, I started to work for Janans,
Yes.
branch, the
Yes.
sector of Lewis stores,
Yes. Yes.
and it was in Mount Fred.
Mount Frey. Yes. Yes. Yes.
So I
Yes.
worked there and traveling up and down.
Kokstad,
I had
Mount
a
Frey.
meeting at one stage,
Yes.
an accident in 1991, which led to paralysis.
I see.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and I refused to stop coaching, to stop being involved with football.
Sorry to interrupt you, Coach. It's a very good point that you're touching because people they they might want to know what happened to shoes. At least now that you are touching that one, that you were working between Manfred and Coxted, so you were traveling. At least now people will know what transpired, what happened.
Yes.
Okay, no, we can proceed, Coach.
Yeah. So I had that accident, and I decided I can't stay out of football.
Yes.
Where we live, it's a tough environment.
Yeah.
And I'm going to stay involved because when my sons, my children,
Yes.
if they get into trouble on the road, I can't take my theory and go and protect it.
Yeah.
So I would rather be involved coaching and making that way look after my children.
Yes.
And evidence of that was my son once came to me and said, Daddy, I used to be angry with you.
Yeah.
Because,
Yeah.
because you paid attention.
Yes.
It looked like you're giving attention to a lot of players.
Yes.
One morning he said
Yeah.
more attention to players
than to us.
But
We
last
don't have
night,
time for family now.
Yeah. So he said to me, but last night I went to a club and on my way back, this is my first one.
Yeah.
I was stopped by a gang of boys. They said I must take my shoes off and give it to them. And they pulled knives. But then I heard Teddy's voice. Teddy said, yeah, go nyanaga coach.
Fortunately, because one knew you, which is your son.
He was a street kid. The one time I had a program where I went and got street kids to come for trials.
Yeah.
And some of those kids, Teddy was one of them.
Yes.
He dropped out of the program.
Yes.
Others became very successful. They visit me today in my house and they will come and say, hey, coach, they are working, they are professionals now.
Yeah.
But they were street kids in the past.
Yeah.
And they will say, hey, coach, Nance, 200 rand, 100. You know, like that. So it was my son now saw that, hey, if I didn't work with those players, he could have got hurt that night.
He could have, they could have
And
even
Ken
killed him.
insisted that they must walk him home.
Instead of, he was to make sure nobody touches. Yeah.
And while they were walking, my son says there were two girls that were also coming from the club walking on their own. And he heard these boys saying, hey, coach.
Can you imagine? So they were safe now.
So it saved even them.
Yeah.
So yes, our involvement in football is about building communities.
Yeah.
I'm proud of you guys. You have coached you too. And today I'm sitting and you interview. You're trying to do something about developing our rural areas.
Yes.
And that is what I'm passionate about. I met Tutu just now, came in to say hello.
Yeah,
Because at some stage I've also coached and worked with him.
Yeah, we don't have somebody. We don't have anyone else now. It's only you. And if I can tell you, I think you've got history. Remember, at one stage you were once an advisor when OR Tambo got promoted. People they don't know that you were the one behind everything in Peter Marisbeck advising the coaches, and you managed to get promotion.
Yes.
I remember that.
And that's another example, beautiful example for you to mention. And my heart now is to see, and I put pressure on my coaches on the D license courses, especially here in the Eastern Cape.
Yes.
Is to go and volunteer at primary schools and to focus their attention on the preschool kids, 4 to 6 year olds,
Yes.
6 to 8 year olds,
Yes.
and establish your foundation. If you're working in the school, train them, guided by principles of the SA philosophy, playing philosophy, so that you prepare these kids for Bafana Bafana in the future, or for Banyana Banyana in the future. And even today we have 28 coaches here showing great interest.
Yeah.
What's interesting here is some of the coaches are team owners.
Yeah.
They're putting funds into it. It reminds me of, and I was stirred yesterday. Just going through my Facebook account, I came up with a memory of Gordon Ball. Toro. He was one of the Pondo princes in Lusigi.
In Lusigi, yes.
Owning Amampondo, and you know I coached Amampondo.
I know.
Where the effort was, the goal was to establish another tribal band like Amazulu. And Amampondo had that. Today I see there's Pondo chiefs, there's a Pondo city here. Where that is being pursued, it seems like Gordon sowed a seed. I think those teams, they're supposed to be getting something. If you are called Pondo Chiefs, they're supposed to get something from those guys. I just pray that it works out for them. And I'm glad that making connections where I can mentor and give technical advice, support, assess what's going on and assist in any way. Yeah, no, I think Coach Uzi, it's good to have a chat with you. I think we're gonna need to have a second episode whereby we need to talk some more because I think there's a lot to catch up. There's a lot to catch up. I'm very happy, and I can't even remember the year when I was doing my D license because it's more than 10 years now. I have my CAF diploma license. Yes. CAF diploma license. So I think there's some more to talk about. Remember how we beat OR Tambo. We left them crying on the field in Umtata, and you came up with a very good concept in terms of our tactical approach. We managed to win 1-0. I think Hemi is the one was the key. So I think for me, as a coach, I can tell you, if I can use your approach, playing again at SAP when I was in Matata, I used to use your approach. How you up when I come to Matata to come and play in Pizan on those bad grounds there, I come and win 1-0 and I go back home. Easy. What George used to say, hey, Masinga, because how you trained us and why your approach when we played against Oatam because most in Umtata it was top. Coach Shoes, for me, it was nice meeting you, though we still need to talk some more. And I want us to talk now when we are back at home.
so that I must not hold you up with the class because you are doing a wonderful job. And I'm very happy for these people in Alfred Nzo and Bizana side. For me, Coach Shoes, I'm very honored. This podcast is meant for people just like yourself, people who are not being recognized, who has done a lot for our community, in our community. So it's made for us. It's, as much as I'm still gonna take Coach Mangoba and them, but I'll have to start here at home. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah. So I don't want to keep you. Thanks for your time, though I know that you are busy now. There's a lot I can see here. With it's a lot of work.
I'm making good work.
What can you say, Coach Shoes, your last word, just to motivate people that who don't know who Coach Shoes Gregory, who wants to know who's this Coach Shoes Gregory, who became a coach, educator, and instructor?
I will appeal to local business families that are in a position to assist with the development.
Yes.
Is to draw near to our primary schools,
Yes.
assist coaches that get their qualifications here. Even as I encourage them to go and what do we call the word, offer their services
Yeah.
at primary schools, work with preschool, primary kids, find a way of contributing so that they have the equipment needed to coach these kids.
Yes.
And also maybe that they can get a little stipend out of it for those that are unemployed. We know how tough it gets in these areas.
Yes. Yes.
So yes, I would appeal to communities that are able to do that, to do it. Because in the UK, where my daughter and son-in-law are now,
Yeah.
the coaches that are working with 6 to 12-year-olds are coaches with UFA B licenses.
Yeah.
My 6-year-old grandson is being coached and showing potential, and their talent identification program is very early.
Yeah.
Where now you take Southampton, cover a certain area, and they've identified some kids. My son-in-law is a part of that interest. I mean, my grandson
Yeah.
is a part of their interest. And to get these reports and to see the kind of sessions that they're doing with the kids tells us we got to wake up and we got to really focus on grassroots football, especially at those age, at that age, the 6 to 12, in fact, 4 to 12 years old. When we talk 4 to 6, 6 to 8, all those specific coaching methods, let the coaches clue them up, work with them, mentor them, give them support, not just as us, as coach instructors or having qualifications, but also the community and our business community. Thanks so much, son.
In closing, you're gonna make me to be emotional now. Thank you very much, Coach Shoes. Thanks for your time, though I know that I still most of your time. Then it, it's an honor for me to get this opportunity to talk to you, though I know that we still need to try and get some more time so that we can have a chat. This is how we're going to close today with this man, Coach Shoes Gregory. Qeqeshe, bengicela undincede phaya.